The AMA Motorcycle Hall of Fame class of 2025 has been induced. They've all got their gold jackets, their rings, and Chad Reed is a part of this. Also including Dana Bell, Chris Carter, Colin Edwards, Joe Kopp, Chad Reed, of course, and Ryan Young. And you got to say, this is to absolutely nobody's surprise at all. I mean, Chad Reed, multi-time champion. He was around this sport for forever. Was it 1999? Correct me if I'm wrong. He made his American debut at 16 years old. I'm not wrong. I'm reading it right here. I just found it. And yeah, I mean, he's a 2002 and 2004 AMA Supercross 250 class champion. And 2008, he has a 450 SX title. I mean, you got to say, this is no surprise. I mean, of all the people who could come out of Supercross, motocross, whatever you want to say it, and get into the AMA Hall of Fame, Chad Reed would be right on the absolute top of the list. I mean, for how long he raced for, I mean, he's got 2009. He also got a Pro Motocross 450 title, 5 wins that season, 9 victories in the 2008 Supercross title. I mean, he was racing Ricky Carmichael, Stewart. He's been around for a lot of the greats. And we do have a quote from him saying, quote, obviously, I started out riding horses and my cousin had a dirt bike. For obvious reasons, I chose to sell the horse. Ever since then, motorcycles have been a part of my life. It's my belief that athletes are born, not raised. I was born to do this. I embraced America with everything I had, and along the way, everyone embraced me. Being in the AMA Hall of Fame is such an honor. Racing is my life. I just love being around it, and I appreciate everyone who's played a role around the way. It's a weird way of saying that. I'll be around at the races. He's also a member of the Order of Australia, an honor awarded to Australians who have demonstrated exceptional achievement, and that was in 2011. This is just absolutely no surprise. I mean, he is maybe not one of the greatest. You can say Stewart, Carmichael. There are people who have more titles than him, more wins than him, but longevity, I mean, obviously he is a champion. He is a winner. He's a guy who lasted, just consistent, year after year after year through the 125 class, the 250, the 450. He's been through a lot of it. In the Supercross just alone, he has 265 starts and 132 podiums, almost 50% on the dot. So congrats to Chad Reed. Also, everybody else that was inducted this year. You guys tell me, do you pay attention to this kind of stuff? Do you care? Are you a fan of Chad Reed? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.